So, now let's try and parry and attack. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a special episode for you. We are learning English with Resident Evil 9, with Leon's campaign. We are learning how to play with him and at the same time some key vocabulary related to his movements in the game. To do that, we are using one of the first scenes where he's on the street chasing after Victor Gideon, the main villain in the game. And I'm going to be teaching you British and American English. Let's move on to parrying. Okay, so you can parry, and mind the pronunciation, parry with an A, with that A sound, just like in trap or in cat. That's British English.
The doctor can easily parry an incoming apple.
But in American English, it's pronounced with an E sound, just like in dress.
Its stat block has it wielding a short sword with which it can parry melee attacks.
Parry. Parry. You can parry certain enemy attacks with L1. But be careful, you can't parry with a blunt hatchet. And what's blunt? What's the meaning of blunt? If an object like a hatchet is blunt, that means it's not sharp enough and therefore it's not able to cut well. So you need to sharpen the hatchet after using it. And to do that, you need to press L1 plus square button. There you go. That's Leon sharpening his hatchet. So, now let's try and parry and attack. Okay, come on. Come on then. Woo! Woo! Well, that was spectacular, wasn't it? That's what parrying is all about, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.